You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 16th of September. This is James Spann. We're looking for rain. Probably not much this week, but could that change maybe next week to some degree? And the tropics are starting to heat up a little bit. A lot of things to talk about this morning. Let's begin with the upper air look as we typically do. This is the wind flow about 18,000 feet off the ground. Again, there's a little upper low that's on the Atlantic coast, a trough in the northern Rockies. The winds aloft here are light out of the north. And it is a dry start to the day. That's the radar composite across the deep south. Hey, look at here. A couple of spots in southeast Alabama in the 50s this morning. Troy and Eufaula, the cool spots. They've got 58. Dothan at 60. Geneva at 60 for a nice little fall feel. We note Birmingham at 72. That's that urban heat island effect. Highs today should be in the upper 80s and low 90s in most spots. Check the watch warning map around the nation. We have flash flood watches for parts of northeast North Carolina and southeast Virginia. Otherwise, things are quiet. Got a chance of severe storms today from near Denver to Duluth, Minnesota, including a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5 risk over western Nebraska. Tomorrow, no organized severe storms expected across the country, and the same thing on day 3, which is Thursday. And yes, indeed, we could use a rainy day here, but prospects not looking that good for the next 7 days. At least we're seeing some green on the map here. This is the rain through Tuesday morning of next week. And for most of the state, nothing to a tenth of an inch. Maybe 2/10 of an inch up around the shoals. We do have some chance of isolated showers really each day, but there could be a little bump in the number of showers early next week by Monday and Tuesday. We'll check modeling here in just a second. In the tropics, we have 2 X's on the board, not 1, but 2. The most impressive-looking wave is that one that's in the central Atlantic. That's about halfway between the Lesser Antilles and the coast of Africa. And a new wave is coming off the coast of Africa. That new wave with a 20% chance of developing over the next 7 days. Just something to watch. It is way out there. We'll focus on the lead wave, which is Invest 92L. No real concern. This will likely become a tropical storm, maybe a hurricane, but that will be headed out to sea. A fish storm, if you will. Again, now this chart, that's the European ensemble. All the members, except for 2, turn it north-northeast, and you throw out those outliers. And this is the super ensemble plot. This takes all the members of the European, the American, the Canadian. North, northeast, out to sea, a clear escape route, so no concern there. We'll check the intensity guidance for 92L. And you can see that most of the members show this either a tropical storm or a Category 1 hurricane. There's a couple of outliers that bring it up to a Category 3, but again, no concern for any landmass. And concerning the trailing wave coming off the coast of Africa, way too early to see. First thoughts on that would be this would tend to want to take the same path as 92 out to sea, but we don't know that yet. We'll just keep an eye on it. So here we go, model fans. GFS, 06C run, 4 o'clock today. Upper low continues over the Carolinas and Virginia, east of Alabama. Trough in the northern Rockies. And again, the day should be pretty quiet. Highs upper 80s and low 90s. This is the high-resolution HRR. HRRR, that stands for High Resolution Rapid Refresh, valid this evening at 6 o'clock, and it shows nothing. Pretty much the same thing tomorrow. Upper 80s, low 90s, the High Resolution HRR. And if you look carefully, you'll see a few green specks. And understand, every day the chance of rain is not 0. But the chance of any one spot getting a shower, 10% or less, and typically when that's the case, we don't mention it. So this is Thursday, same thing. Low 90s in most spots. And Friday, low 90s. And the dew points are down. This is not like the 90s we see in July and August. It's a dry heat, if you will. Nights are pleasant with lows mostly in the 60s. What about the weekend? I don't think we see a lot of change here. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Evidence maybe by Sunday some moisture creeps into southeast Alabama with a chance of showers for places like Dothan, Eufaula, Ozark, Enterprise, Geneva. but the rest of the state dry. Low 90s on Saturday, upper 80s in many spots on Sunday, and then Monday, a little more green on the map. Evidence that the moist air begins to continue moving up into the state from the southeast, so we'll have a chance of showers Monday. I don't think it's a big, widespread beneficial rain, but it's a move in the right direction. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, September 23rd, pretty good trough north of the Great Lakes, a little trough passing east of Alabama, and again, maybe a few spotty showers, so we'll mention showers Monday and Tuesday of next week, but still, probably nothing very widespread. Let's go out 10 days. Let's keep going here. Thursday, September 25th. Got a little upper low showing up just to the southwest of here. And evidence of a few scattered showers, but again, still not the big, good, slow, soaking type rain we need. But let's keep going. This is 15 days out. This is the European ensemble. This is between now and the really 1st of October. Sounds odd saying that. This year is flying along. We're looking for the green line on that map. That's the mean of the ensemble members. And it's coming up. It's up there between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 1st of October. So evidence we could see a better chance of rain out there after 10 days toward the end of this month. Temperatures off the NBM, National Blend of Models. We got mostly low 90s through Saturday, then mostly mid to upper 80s Sunday and through much of next week. And again, lows will stay generally in the 60s. And the latest long-range guidance, this is for September 23rd through the 29th. Temperatures above average, if this works out. Ooh, nice sunset last night. Weather has been so calm here of late. Just gorgeous scenes. Love the crepuscular rays. And one note, this is a big anniversary in the state in terms of hurricanes. On this date, 5 years ago, we had Hurricane Sally, that horrible, slow-moving Category 2 that was just creeping through South Alabama, producing so much wind and so much rain for hours and hours and hours. And on this date in 2004, Hurricane Ivan, a Category 4 hurricane, came right up into Alabama with a lot of destruction. So we can be thankful for scenes that look like this. All these were taken yesterday, just absolutely gorgeous. So let's check the schedule. Today going to be in Madison. Got a weather program this morning at Midtown Elementary School. Then this evening I'll be in Homewood doing a banquet for the Urban Hope Ministry. Tomorrow going to be at Curry Elementary School in Walker County, home of the Yellow Jackets. Thursday, going to speak to the kids with the Alabama Connections Academy, and then I will be at Rainbow Presbyterian Church in Rainbow City, and then Thursday night, I'll be speaking to the students at Huntington College in Montgomery. Then on Friday, Vinemont Middle School, home of the Eagles in Cullman. And then Saturday, it's a book signing. We're going to be at the Maple Avenue Coffee House in Trussville between noon and 2 o'clock. And if you've never been to one of these things, we have a ton of fun. We have all the weather shirts. We have the children's books. All you can do is pray. That's our book about April 27, 2011. And much more. We take a lot of pictures and we have a lot of fun. So again, it's a Birmingham Metro event. We don't do as many of these as we used to because we're getting out statewide now. But again, that is Maple Avenue Coffee House in Trussville, Saturday from noon until 2 o'clock. And of course, we invite you to watch us on the television side this evening, ABC 3340 News. And hey, don't forget, you can catch my forecast every day on great radio stations across Alabama, including in Birmingham, Classic Rock 106.9. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous Tuesday, and God bless.